Believe it or not, this is an AI generated video, and by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create something like this. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below, and just click on New Project. Now keep in mind that all of this thing that we are doing is free. You get 100 credits here, and you can create around 5 videos with these credits. And the good thing is these credits refill monthly, so you'll have 100 credits every month. Now you can write text and convert it to a video, or if you have an image, you can convert that image to a video. In this tutorial, what I'll do is I'll show you how you can convert an image to a video. So just click here, text to video, click on frames to video, and click on this plus icon here. Let's upload our image. And I've downloaded the cinematic image or cinematic shot of a car moving through a road here. You can upload this, and if you want, you can crop your image, but this is the full shot that we want. And in the end, I want this car moving through this road in a cinematic slow motion. Or let's say, I think slow motion would not be that good. We'll just keep it real time. Okay, once the image is uploaded, just write your prompt. So as you can see, the first frame is here. If you have like a second shot or a third shot of what you want your end product to be like, you can add more of those frames here. But I'll just keep it simple, and I'll just move this car along this road. So I'll just convert this to a cinematic aerial shot of a car moving through a road. Keep the camera steady and follow in the car. So it's pretty simple prompt. Let's see how it does. So this actually uses Nano Banana Pro and Google Veo. So you can play around with this, and you can try out new stuff and see if this is actually helpful for you. And if you want, you can actually buy this so that the 100 credits limit here is increased. So after around 2 minutes, the video is ready. Let's maximize this and let's play, and let's see if it is according to what we've said. So as you can see, it looks great. This does not even look like AI. One great thing about this is if you do not like the output, you can just click on this edit button here, and you can say what you want to do. Do you want to insert something? Do you want to remove something? Or you can just, let's say you want to add a group of people here, right? You can just drag and drop here, like make a rectangle here, and you can write add a group of people here, and it will change that. Okay, and if you want to, let's say, change the camera position, you can choose if you want to keep it stationary, move closer, move left, move up, and so on. You can also choose to add motion to the camera. Okay, so this is a really great tool. I mean, you can actually make a full short movie at least out of it. And yeah, try it out and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.